Okay, and here we are on the Caloosahatchee River. We're at the Franklin Lock, waiting for permission to enter. And then we're gonna lock through. We're going eastbound. It's a beautiful day to do the locks. Okay, so here we can see the lock is now opening. You can see water flowing west towards us. And pretty soon we'll have a green light to go through the Franklin Lock. Okay, so here we go. We are now clear to enter the lock. So we're gonna motor in nice and slow. We only have one side of the lock open. So the lock master or lock operator has instructed us to proceed with caution, and then we're free to tie up on either side of the lock once we get in. So the rules of the lock are that you must be wearing a life jacket. You should have lines and fenders prepared, and you are to wait for the instructions of the operator of the lock. You're going to communicate on channel 13 on your VHF, not channel 16, channel 13. Got some fish in here too. Okay, so here we are in the Franklin Lock. They actually have lines tied already, so we don't need our own, but the important thing to note is that we do not want to cleat this off entirely. We want to leave it loose so that as the water levels change, we can also adjust the lines. We don't want anything getting too tight. So Lockmaster's instructions were not to cleat it off, but just to give it a bite around the cleat to hold us in position. Okay, so here we go. The lock is opening. Got lots of water coming through. It's pushing us around pretty good. There we go. Water level's rising. All right, here we go. We have permission to exit the lock. So we're gonna make our way out. We've been told to proceed with a lot of caution because we have a mama manatee and her calf somewhere up here, so we're going to go nice and slow. We're going to keep a good lookout. Looks like we might have had some breaking water over there, so just look out for Mama and the baby. So it looks like we've got a class trip going on. Everybody going to check out the locks. And then right over here, welcome to the farmland, folks, because there is a really big cow. Right there. There he is. He's big. We're in cow country here, folks. This is a beautiful trip right through the heart of South Florida. If you ever get a chance to do it, I highly recommend it. So we've got some other boats that are coming through the lock. We had a few others that followed us. We had a center console and a pontoon behind us. Got another motorboat going through, and we've got a Ranger tug going in next. Looks like they're probably doing part of the loop. They look like cruisers. All right, we are going to continue going east on the Caloosahatchee, Okeechobee Waterway, and we'll continue this video.